this video. So today we're going to start with a new thing, that is migration. So since the beginning of human evolution, people have moved from one place to another, sometimes in search of food, sometimes in look for shelter, for more favorable weather, and other times for more safe environment to settle down. People also move there for other reasons such as new jobs, education opportunities, war or strife, for overpopulation and many other reasons. The movement of people from one place or country to another is known as migration. People migrate because of need of or the desire to settle down permanently or temporarily in a new place. So there are many types of migration. Likewise, migration can be internal. People moving within the country from one place to another, like it is that internal migration. Migration can also be like external wise, and people move from a country to another country or a continent. Likewise, if you're just moving from India to Canada, likewise that situation called as external migration. And if you're just migrating to Mumbai to Delhi, so that is an internal because that's within India. So when a person leaves his or her own country and moves to another, it is called immigration. So the person will be known as immigrant from his or her own country. For example, when a person leaves India and goes to Canada to settle there, that person is said to have immigrated from India to Canada. When a person arrives to a new country after leaving his or own country, it is called immigration, like E and I. You can pronounce it in your ways. So, for example, if a person again arrives in Canada from India, is said to have immigrated to Canada and known as an immigrant in Canada. Now, migration can be like temporary. So, migration could be annual, seasonal, or daily. For example, many people move from lower region or from the mountain during harsh winter months. Now, migration between rural and urban areas. Based upon the direction of movement, migration is kind of four types. Likewise, rural to urban, rural to rural, urban to urban, urban to rural. Now, rural to urban, it is one of the most common type people used to migrate. In this type migration, people move from rural area to cities, mainly in search of better job opportunities. In villages, jobs are either absent or very scarce. So the only way of a person could get a job is by going to another city either alone or with his or her own country, like own family. Apart from jobs, better educational opportunities, etc., like exit in cities, there is also an opportunity to adopt and enjoy an urban lifestyle and health service. This type of migration is common in developing countries like Brazil and India. A few other reasons for this type migration are villages cannot support rapid increase of population, reduce food supply, shortage of land, introduction of mechanized farming where machines replace human labor. Now let's go to the second type, which is rural to rural. This type of migration take place when people move from rural area to another rural area. This happens for various reasons like acquisition of property, marriage, better resources, etc. In rural India, girls usually leave their villages after marriage and go to live there with the husbands in their villages, like if the villages are separated. When people also leave their own village and migrate to different village where they can buy land because it is more fertile. Now let's go to the urban to urban migration. Migration from one city to another happens when people of one city choose to go to the another city. Generally, a larger one in search of better jobs, educational facilities, health facilities, etc. For example, many students and professionals from cities like Patna, Allahabad, and Lucknow go to Delhi in search of better opportunities. This type of migration also happens when population of a city becomes too big and begins to affect the quality life of the people there. As a result, many people choose to shift to a new city where quality life is satisfactory. For example, people from Delhi are moving to the satellite towns like Gurgaon, Noida because these cities have satisfactory amenities. Moving a large government office or other establishment from one city to another cause large scale of migration of people from one city to another. Now let's go to the another type of migration, that is rural to urban to rural. Like urban move to rural. In this type of migration, people go back to their homes in villages for several reasons, such as to look after the property left behind by their parents or marry a boy or girl from there. Some people also return when they find there are no suitable job opportunities in cities or unable to find proper shelter. Sometimes the cost of living in the city is very high, or the migrants are unable to cope up with the traffic and pollution. Urban to rural migration is common in countries like Pakistan and Afghanistan. Other forms of migration. Beside the above beside all these migration, like there are other forms of migration as well as like primitive migration, forced migration, or free migration, illegal migration. Let's go to the primitive migration. Primitive is one of the which people respond to unfavorable environment by leaving it for more favorable one. Pre-industrial societies tend to make such decision on a group basis rather than individual base. The hunting and gathering groups, which still exist in many parts of the world, might migrate regularly as resources area get depleted. Some farming communities might move as soil become infertile. Primitive migration also occurs when additional land is needed as a population increase in size. Forced migration. When people living in a place are forced to live due to reasons like poor living condition, precautions, or lack of political freedom, wars, lack of means of earn a livelihood, famine, etc. Then it is called a forced migration. Forced migration is involuntary and it can be like free kind of thing also. Free migration. In free migration, people have the choice to either stay or move. The decision to move is based on one's personal choice and it's mostly guided by the factors like better job opportunities, better living condition. These people often analyze the advantages and disadvantages of moving to a new place and then make a informed decision. Illegal migration. Illegal migration is one where people violate the immigration laws and move to another country. It is crossing of a country's border by a person or a group by volunteering immigration laws for of the destination country. In such case migration becomes illegal. Now, why do people migrate? This topic we will discuss in the further videos. Thanks for watching, and we will meet in the next video. Bye.